Today's home workout with your qualified trainer, Wyndham-Read, is a 15-minute low impact workout. So this is no jumping, it's full body, all the moves are standing. So this is great if perhaps you're a beginner or you simply want to get back into exercising, or you just want a 15-minute low impact workout. How it's going to work, we've got 15 different moves, no repeaters, all standing, no jumping. I'm going to start off with doing a quick little warm up. So just follow along. First move, we're going to go for doing 10 of these side steps and just give me these little arm bends. And this is all about preparing your body for the workout ahead. We're just going from one side to the other. And now take your arms in front, palms face down. Just give me that hamstring curl. Again, just 10. And this is just going to help to mobilize through all your joints and warm up those major muscle groups as well. This time now, we're going to go for doing these side reaches. So now we're working and increasing your core body temperature and working through your waist and core rotation. All right, well done. So now we're going to have a look at the preview of your first move. So your first move, we're just going to do these little toe taps in front and we just alternate with the arms from punching up to punching in front. Nice, simple and effective move. So let's get ready, tap that foot in front and just punch those arms out. So you can see on the left that arrow represents a timer bar, 45 seconds. And now take your arms directly up for me. And also on the right, you've got your 15-minute countdown clock for this 15-minute low impact workout. So just keep alternating. And what we're doing is then just punch those arms in front. So this is a really lovely low impact move, but still what I refer to as high intensity. So this is still going to really get that heart rate up. We're burning calories, getting fit. We're doing everything we need. That's good. Keeping that going. Keep those core tummy muscles pulled in tight. Let's keep going till that arrow reaches at the top. And well done. So that's move one done. What I want you to do now, you just march on the spot and I'm going to show you a preview of the next move. So this one, we're doing sets of 4 where we go 4 hamstring curls. Then from there, we do a quick little side tap for 4. So let's start 4 of these, 3, go 2 and 1. Now tap it, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and just keep alternating. So this is a lovely, what I call combo move. Keep going from side to side. And my mission is to make these workouts fun. You know, we can exercise and still have fun, enjoy it, because it's about being consistent. We want to make exercise a daily habit. All right, that's it. Keep going side to side. Again, this move, you've got 45 seconds. You can see that timer bar. And this one here, really good for working laterally through the thighs, working the hamstrings, working the glutes and your upper body as well. And well done. All right, so you just march it out and then I'm just going to show you a preview of the next move. This is a fun one. We're just going to walk forward to a knee drive and then just alternate the knee that we're stepping forward with. So let's get ready. Let's have some fun with this and really now drive that knee up. That's good. Step it forwards. So this one here, great to really work through your abs. It's a really lovely lower body exercise. And again, it's still full of energy. So even though it's low impact, we're still really getting that heart rate up. Drive that knee up, that's good. And really, as you drive that knee up, really focus on engaging the core. Pull in those tummy muscles as tight as you can. That's good. Keeping that going till that arrow reaches the top. Drive that up, that's good. And just think what you and I as your qualified trainer, you and I are investing in your future health right now. Well done. All right, just march it out and let's have a little look at your next move. So this one here, we're going to do a low impact skater's lunge. So we're just tapping that foot behind, just reach the arm across and over. So a really lovely dynamic move, reach it up and over. So this one here, think about all the different muscles we're working. We're working through the arms, even through the deltoid shoulders. We're working through your waist, working through the glutes, the thighs. So really lovely full body move. Reaching that across. And as your qualified trainer, I've been teaching for nearly over 30 years. My mission is always to make exercise effective, doable, and that we can all do so much just in these shorter workouts, and how we can all get fit and healthy at home. All right, that's good. Keeping that going, reach it across. And well done. All right, just march out. So let's have a look at your next move coming up. So for this one, we're going to do a tiny little squat, then we're going to come up to a knee raise. So for this, what I want you to do when we do those squats, always make sure you keep the knees behind the line of the toes. So it's a little bend and then knee drive, knee drive. Give me that little squat, knee drive, knee drive. So you can just see I'm doing it from the side. Always keep those knees back. So imagine you're just about to sit down on a chair, then you come up, knee drive, knee drive. Keep that upper body nice and straight as you come up. That's good. So this one here, great for working through the glutes, through the thighs, also really good for hip mobility and balance, and really good for your core. Okay, keeping that nice and controlled. Bend through those knees, drive that up. And well done. All right, just march out. So this is your time for recovery. Get your breath back. And next move, we're going to really target through your waist, your abs and your core with this one. We're going to do a constant knee ab crunch drive. So with this now, just draw that knee up and really focus, if you can for me, on really exaggerating, taking that elbow over towards the opposite knee. So what I'm doing there is now I'm really specifically more shaping through your waist, shaping through your core. Focus on keeping that upper body nice and straight for me. So try and make yourself as tall as you can. And definitely, if you are on Facebook, come and find me. I've got Lucy's Squad, the private group, which is free to join. And I've also got the Lucy's Squad page. There are also lots of fake pages, so please be careful and find my one, which you can always find the link from my website. All right, that's good. Keep that upper body nice and straight. Let's just keep going. Feel that through the core. And well done. Let's just have a little march on the spot. Get your breath back. So this one, we're going to have fun. We're going to do 3 power kicks. Then we're going to do a 180-degree march and back to 3 power kicks. So let's think outside the box with this one. Arms up. Give me 3. Go 2 and 1. Now march it round 180 degrees. And now 3. Go 2 and 1. March it back round. So this one here, again, total body. We are toning, sculpting, we're working everything. We're getting your heart rate up, burning calories. We are ticking every single box. That's good. And then march that round, arms up. So we're really engaging the core as we kick those legs in front. Give me those nice power kicks and march it round. And remember, exercise is simply about moving your body. Keeping that going. Arms up and give me those kicks. Well done. All right, so march it out. Let's just get your breath back and let's have a look at your next move coming up. So this one, we're going to do power punches, and then we're going to go for doing claps under the legs. So we're doing knee lifts. So let's get ready and give me these power punches. We're going to power punch and now give me a clap underneath the leg on there. So I think we're doing 8 and then 4, but just follow along. So keep that upper body nice and straight. And the other place, definitely come and find me on Instagram. Every Tuesday I do a live and answer Q&As on health and fitness. So let's just keep going. Make sure here, especially when we're doing those power punches, really keep those hips nice and still. So we're just really working through those core muscles. Power through each of those punches. So go 8 punches and then 4 of these knee lifts. And this is going to really get your heart rate up. So you've got a well-deserved break on there now. Okay, so just march out. Let's have a look at your next move. So this one, we'll do a little bit of traveling forwards and we're just going to do a toe tap. So you're just going to tap that foot behind and just, if you want to, you can move around the room, push the arms in front and then directly up. So just go sets of 4. And also what I'm deliberately doing here is really getting moves that require the use of what we call motor skills. So I'm engaging your mind and muscle and memory connection. This is really important to keep our brain fit as well. All right, keeping that going. So it's a little tap behind. So this one here means we're activating, working through the glutes. Keep that going with the arms. Pushing that up, arms in front, and well done. All right, just march it out. So you can see we're well over halfway through today's workout. So next one we're going to do, this time we will do a really nice travel forwards. We're going to alternate with doing single punches, then double punches back for 4. So let's get ready. And now travel that forwards. Give me 4. And then double arms. So I never choose to put music on. I always think, because I am a qualified trainer, I want to teach this as if I was there doing one-to-one personal training with you at home. But I know some people like to have music. If that is the case, remember, turn down the volume, play your own music. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So punch those arms across. Keep the arms, if you can, at chest height. That's good. So this one here, great for working through your arms, through your waist, through your glutes, and through the legs. Also great for our mobility and flexibility. All the way, the arrow reaches the end, and just march out. So take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So next move now, this one we're going to do where we're just going to work on one leg, and then we'll change halfway through. So you're just going to have that leg behind, step 1 foot behind, and now drive that knee up, but really quite slowly. So this one here, I'm working a bit more through your balance, and we're working a little bit more strength on that standing leg. So imagine you're pulling something in with the arms and driving that knee up. Keep those core tummy muscles pulled in nice and tight. Drive that up. Now change legs. Take the opposite leg behind and drive in. So this one here is still a really good low impact cardio full body move. Keeping that going. That's good. Drive that up. And actually, the slower you do it, the more challenging that is through the abdominals, because we're having to work harder for balance. We have less momentum. And well done. All right, just march it out for me and take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So next move, we're going to do 2 straight leg kicks, 2 power punches. So again, great one here for our motor skills. So let's get ready. Give me 1 and 2, and now 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and 2 of those power punches. Also focus for me while you're doing that on keeping that upper body nice and straight and tall. Benefit here, this one also great for your hip mobility and flexibility. Two leg kicks, 2 power punches. Keeping that going. So we're nearly finished today. So just think, this time that you've done, just 15 minutes at home for free, is going to make all the difference to how you feel today. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. Power punch. Give me those kicks. Well done. All right, just march out, and let's just have a look at your next exercise. So this one, we're going to do these half circles, knee lifts, and then a half circle, travel that back round with a hamstring curl. So let's get ready. Give me 4 of these, but do a sort of little travel on the spot. Then give me 4 of these ab crunches, and then back to those hamstring curls, just traveling that around. Keeping that upper body nice and tall. That's good. So again here, a multi-compound move, meaning we're working multiple muscle groups. That's how we're going to get amazing results. And because we're doing low impact, we're not using weight other than body weight, which is one of the best ways to strengthen your muscles and bones. These exercises you can do every single day. And just keeping that going, traveling that round. So it's these little semicircles. And well done. All right, just march out. So let's have a look at the next move. So this one, let's pretend we're doing a high five to each other, and we're just going to tap that foot out to the side. So nice little lateral move. Just 2 moves left, so let's just keep going. Let's have fun with this. High fives, lots of high fives to each other. Because we know what we've just done, you and I training together at home, is we've boosted our energy, we've looked after our mental health, our heart health, our joint health, our bone health, our muscle health as well. Just tap that foot out. So you'll feel this one working a bit more through your inner and outer thigh, through the glutes. working that coordination with those arms. Keep giving me those high fives and add that smile as well. Because remember, when we smile, we're exercising lots of muscles in our face at the same time. Keeping that going all the way, and well done. Let's just march out. So we're going to have a look at your final move. So this one, we're going to have fun. We're going to do imagine you are doing a calf raise, and then imagine you're stepping under a fence, and then just go for doing that calf raise. So step it out wide, go low, reach up, step low, reach up. So imagine you're traveling under something and reach up. So this just shows how easy it is just to keep moving our bodies. And as I say, as a qualified trainer, exercise isn't about trying to change our bodies. It's about looking after our health. And I do also do online one-to-one personal training. So if you wanted your own fitness plan where I select the most appropriate videos from my YouTube channel and put it together in a structured 4-week program, then I'll leave all the details down below so you can have a look at that, because sometimes it's just a really nice way to give you some structure to set for your goals. And step that across, and well done. All right, so what I want you to do now, just carry on marching. We're slowly going to get that heart rate back down. Deep breath in and deep breath out. And let's just keep going till we've completed our 15 minutes. So well done. Let's just bring that heart rate right back down to that pre-exercise start. So well done, there is your high five. Now, if you wanted to do any more exercise, do any strength, mobility, toning, I have got my 5-minute playlist, which you can find here. If you are finished for today, then click up here on the description down below for my full cool down stretch. And remember, what you and I have done today is invested in your future health. So well done, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow. So you're now joining right at the end of the video Princess Sultana.